Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel Lanigan. I make videos about being on the carnivore diet, recipes, my journey, weight loss, struggles, all that. And I also, we live on a dairy farm, operate and own a family dairy farm, hubby and I. So I do help out on the farm sometimes. So today I decided to clean up the cement slab. It just had a bunch of like dirt and old manure and rocks. And we weren't even using it. It was just a waste of space. So I've been cleaning this up. Check it out. It's a lot of work. I'm sweating like a pig. Just using that shovel to get all that dirt and junk out of there. Gonna power wash it and make it look a little nicer and be able to use this space. Ollie's been hanging out today. It's a gorgeous day, September. It's in the 80s, which is super unusual. There's Miko hanging out too. Hey guys, just gonna water our chickens and the rooster. Chicken puppies. Here you go, guys. Some water for the chickens. These are some pretty old chickens. They're like 6 years old. I take their eggs sometimes and incubate them and get the baby chickens. Gotta get you guys some food now. Okay, go give the chickens some ground corn, and then I'm gonna mix some chicken feed in with it. There you go, chicken pappies. No eggs today. Maybe tomorrow. I think it's too hot for them. Chickens don't like to lay eggs when it's too cold or too hot. Definitely a warm one today. So we're gonna hang some bird houses. We have a local guy that makes these bird houses. So I just put these all around the property. Look at this gorgeous mum. It's huge. So pretty. night. We're just out having fun, relaxing on the dairy farm. One of our favorite things to do is to go cruise on our farm and go through our magical forest. We call it magical because there's birds, turkeys, chickens, mushrooms, like really huge mushrooms that are natural, rabbits, flowers, butterflies. It's kind of magical, so we call it the magical forest. So it's nighttime, it's kind of hard to see. Oh yeah, turkeys, but it's nighttime, it's kind of hard to see, but we will definitely do a video during the day of our magical forest. We put bird houses out. There's owls, foxes we've seen out here, deer, cats, lots of cats, chickens. It's pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoy it.